This mixing glass is part of the Urban Bar tattoo range, and it's the perfect mixing glass for the fun-loving, tiki-loving cocktail bartender, or you guys at home that want to make a statement at your party. If you want your friends to go, wow, where did you get that from? This is the ideal range. It's all part of the Urban Bar kind of range, as you'll see there, the tattoo range. But this is a mixing glass, 21 ounces, just over a UK pint. It's perfect for stirring down your sort of rum fashions, your old fashions. If you want to use gin, then you can do your sort of gin martinis and all that kind of stuff in there. Basically, those cocktails that require stirring down instead of shaking. I'll just give it the old spinneroonie for the close-up camera so you can kind of see all the designs on there. It's the kind of tattoo, Sailor Jerry, I call it a little Popeye. It's like a female Popeye in there, if you like all the anchors and all that sort of stuff going on in the design there. But it's really cool. And to complement, when you don't need to get a julep strainer, you can get yourselves the Urban Bar Cody strainer as well, a tattoo one, and that just fits nicely on top, so you can pour it out into your favourite kind of tumbler, martini glass, whatever you've got. But that is the Urban Bar tattoo mixing glass, 21 ounces, and it just completes the tattoo range perfectly.